Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super exciting. How to stake your crypto on Robinhood in 2025. If you're new here, staking is essentially locking up your cryptocurrencies to support a blockchain network and earn rewards in return. Think of it as earning interest on your digital assets. It's a smart way to grow your holdings without actively trading. First things first, make sure you have a Robinhood account set up. If you don't, head over to the Robinhood app or website and create one. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Crypto section. Here, you'll see your portfolio. Look for assets that are eligible for staking, like Ethereum or Solana, as options might have expanded by 2025. Now, let's get into the steps. Select the cryptocurrency you want to stake from your wallet. Robinhood will show you the available staking options, including potential rewards and lock-up periods. For example, you might see annual percentage yields, APY, ranging from 5% to 10%, depending on the crypto and market conditions. Click on Stake or Earn Rewards, then review the details carefully. This includes how long your assets will be locked, could be a few days or months, so choose what fits your strategy. Before confirming, double-check for any fees Robinhood might charge. In 2025, these could be minimal, but it's good to know. Once you're ready, hit confirm, and your crypto will start staking. You'll see your staked assets in a dedicated section, where you can track earnings in real time. A quick word of caution: staking isn't risk-free. Crypto prices can fluctuate, and there's always the chance of network issues or penalties for early withdrawal. But if you're in it for the long haul, this could be a passive income game changer. Remember to only stake what you can afford to lock up. There you have it. Staking crypto on Robinhood made simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.